Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. Okay. So the problem statement is we have to print numbers from n to 1. Like in the previous videos, we had print from 0 to n, 1 to n, 2 to n, 3 to n, right? So, but in this video, we are starting from the highest and we are ending from we are ending to the lowest. So I hope you understand the question. So let us write the problem statement. Sorry, the code. So import java.util.star scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. So let us give the int n is equal to sc dot next int. So why I'm taking n? Because we have to print from n to 1. So that's why I'm taking n. So as you know, the for loop, right? So I'm taking just a variable. So in that variable, I'm storing each and every number. So it starts from we are printing from n to 1, right? So we are printing from, I'm again saying, and we are printing from n to 1. That's why we have to start from n. And after that, it should be greater than or equal to 1. See, in the previous videos, we have used less than or equal to all the time, right? But here I'm using greater than or equal to. Why? Because n is greater than, right? Like if n values, for suppose n value take n value is 10. So I value is 10, right? So n value is 10, right? So 10 is storing in the I variable, right? So then I value is what? 10. So 10 greater than or equal to 1, right? Satisfied. So like this, we have to decrement. So in the previous videos, we have talked about incrementation. But in this video, we'll talk about decrementation. So in each and every time, uh, the number should be decreased. See here. For example, I'm giving 10 here, right? So n value is 10, for suppose. It should start from 10 and I'm checking. N value is 10. So 10 is storing in the I variable. So I'm checking 10 greater than or equal to 1. Yes, this condition passed. So we will print that number. And after that, we will decrementing. So what is the previous number for 10? 9. So the 9 will be stored in the I value. Again, I'm checking. I is greater than or equal to 1. What is the I value now? 9. So 9 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. 9 is greater than 1. So this condition passed and the next number will be printed. So I minus minus means decrementation. Like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. For that purpose, we will using I minus minus. I hope you got it. So system dot out dot println I. So this is the problem we had written. So I think everything is fine. So let us run this program. So there is no error. So let us give 10. So each and every time the value should be decremented like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 up to 1. See here. So whatever we are writing the code, so it's the same output is coming, right? So just we have to think. So what are the tools? So these are all tools. What are the tools which we required to solve this problem? So we have to choose the right tools. So then only we can solve the problem. Okay, so that's it from the video. And if you like this video, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please share and please ring the bell icon. Sorry, please ring the bell icon so then only you will get the notification. So whenever I post the videos on the YouTube, you will get the notification. If you don't ring the bell icon, you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.